how to fix iPhone sound low problem. So if you want to increase your iPhone sound, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to go with sounds and haptics. Once you tap on it, you will have your ringtone and alerts. You need to make sure that it's turned on and it's set to high. Once you've done that, you need to go back, scroll down and then go with Face ID and password. And here you need to enter your password. And scroll down and you will find attention aware features and turn this off. Once done, you need to go back and here, if you scroll up, then you will find an option of Bluetooth. You need to tap on it. And if you've connected to any Bluetooth, like your AirPods or something, then you just need to simply go and disconnect them or forget the device. After that, your problem will be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with software updates. If you have any updates on your iPhone, just simply go and update it. After updating your software, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and under general, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and then reset all of your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.